If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter 3, Powers of Courts, Sections 26 to 35. The third chapter of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, delineates the powers vested in various criminal courts, establishing their authority and jurisdiction to try offences and impose penalties. Sections 26 to 35 comprehensively outline the scope and limitations of these powers, ensuring clarity and uniformity in the administration of criminal justice. Section 26, Courts by which offences are triable. Section 26 specifies which courts are competent to try different categories of offences. It categorizes offences into those triable by the High Court, Sessions Courts, Judicial Magistrates of the First Class, Judicial Magistrates of the Second Class, Executive Magistrates, for certain summary offences. This section is crucial in ensuring that cases are heard by courts with appropriate jurisdiction, maintaining an orderly and efficient judicial process. Section 27, Offences under the Indian Penal Code. Section 27 outlines that any offence under the Indian Penal Code, IPC, is triable by the court designated by the BNSS based on the nature and gravity of the offence. It ensures that IPC offences are tried in accordance with the procedural framework established by the BNSS. Section 28, Sentences which High Courts and Sessions judges may pass. Section 28 empowers the High Courts and Sessions Courts to impose any sentence authorized by law. However, it stipulates that a death sentence passed by a Sessions judge must be confirmed by the High Court. This section underscores the higher judiciary's role in overseeing severe penalties, ensuring an additional layer of scrutiny and justice. Section 29, Sentences which magistrates may pass. This section specifies the maximum sentences that different classes of magistrates can impose. Chief Judicial Magistrates, up to 7 years of imprisonment and fines as authorized by law. Judicial Magistrates of the First Class, up to 3 years of imprisonment and fines not exceeding 10,000 rupees. Judicial Magistrates of the Second Class, up to 1 year of imprisonment and fines not exceeding 5,000 rupees. Executive Magistrates, limited to the specific summary offences they are authorized to handle. Section 29 ensures that magistrates operate within defined limits, maintaining proportionality and fairness in sentencing. Section 30, Sentence of imprisonment in default of fine. Section 30 allows courts to impose imprisonment in default of payment of a fine. This imprisonment is additional to any other imprisonment imposed for the offence. The section ensures that fines are effectively enforced, providing a deterrent against non-payment. Section 31, Sentence in cases of conviction of several offences at one trial. This section empowers courts to pass consecutive sentences when a person is convicted of multiple offences in a single trial, ensuring clarity on the geographical boundaries within which they operate. It is crucial for the orderly administration of justice, preventing jurisdictional conflicts. Sections 15 to 16, Subordination of magistrates, and the power to confer magisterial powers. These sections outline the hierarchical structure among magistrates, establishing the subordination of executive magistrates to the district magistrate and judicial magistrates to the chief judicial magistrate. They also empower the state government to confer magisterial powers on certain officials, ensuring administrative flexibility. Sections 17 to 25, Various administrative and procedural provisions. The subsequent sections cover various administrative and procedural aspects, including the appointment of executive magistrates, the power of the High Court to determine the location of courts, and the ability of governments to alter the limits of judicial districts and divisions. These provisions ensure the adaptability and responsiveness of the judicial system to evolving administrative needs. Summary: The Constitution of Criminal Courts and Offices, chapter in the BNSS, 2023, is foundational for the organization and operation of the criminal judiciary in India. It establishes the hierarchical structure, territorial jurisdictions, and administrative mechanisms necessary for the effective administration of criminal justice. By clearly defining the roles, responsibilities, and interrelationships of various judicial offices, this chapter ensures a streamlined and efficient legal framework capable of addressing the diverse and complex nature of criminal cases in India. Stay informed, live in comfort.